Monkeys are buying bananas. Banana farmers are selling bananas. Banana stores are busy. Life is good. Then one day, monkeys stop buying so many bananas. Maybe monkeys are worried about the future. Maybe monkeys already have too many bananas. Maybe monkeys lost their jungle jobs. So monkeys spend fewer leaves. Banana farmers notice. Less banana is selling. Banana farmer makes less money. Banana farmer hires fewer monkeys. Now those monkeys have even fewer leaves to spend, so they buy even fewer bananas. This is the cycle. When the whole monkey economy shrinks for a long time, this is called a recession. Economists say a recession is when the economy gets smaller for 2 quarters in a row. A quarter is 3 months. So if monkey economy shrinks for 6 months straight, monkey is officially in a recession. Monkey sad. There is never just one reason. Sometimes monkeys borrow too many leaves and cannot pay them back. Sometimes banana prices go too high and monkeys stop buying. Sometimes a big unexpected thing happens. A storm, a disease, a war, something that shocks the whole jungle at once. Any of these can make monkeys scared. Scared monkeys stop spending. When monkeys stop spending, businesses make less money. When businesses make less money, they let monkeys go. When monkeys lose jobs, they spend even less. Round and round. Banana stores start closing. Banana farmers plant fewer trees. Monkey unemployment goes up. That means more monkeys without jungle jobs. Monkeys who still have jobs hold on to their leaves even tighter. Banks become nervous. Banks stop lending leaves as freely. Monkey who needs a loan to open a new banana stand cannot get one. New businesses never open. Old businesses shrink. Everything slows down. Monkey government does not like recessions. Bad for popularity. Bad for everyone. So, monkey government usually tries 2 things. First, monkey government can spend more leaves itself, build new jungle roads, hire more government monkeys, put leaves back into the economy so other monkeys have more to spend. This is called fiscal stimulus. Second, monkey central bank can lower interest rates. Cheaper to borrow leaves. Monkeys and businesses take out more loans, start spending again, start building again. This is called monetary stimulus. Sometimes it works quickly, sometimes it takes years. Most recessions last around 10 months. Some are short, some are very bad and last much longer. When a recession gets really bad and lasts a really long time, monkeys call it a depression. Monkey does not want a depression. Monkey cannot stop a recession, but monkey can prepare. Monkey saves extra leaves when times are good. Monkey avoids borrowing more leaves than monkey can pay back. Monkey keeps skills sharp, so monkey stays useful even when banana market shrinks. Recession is part of the jungle cycle. Economy grows, economy shrinks. Economy grows again. Monkey has survived every recession so far. Monkey will survive the next one too. Please subscribe.